The novel G-Series CNC wire cutting machine comes with a full series of models, among which V350G, V500G, V650G, V850G are most suitable for processing high-precision molds and special-purpose parts, as your best working partner, helping you meet versatile demands. A concise and beautiful appearance, a user-friendly operation interface, an excellent processing accuracy, and a best surface finish. Machine characteristics. The design of high-rigidity casting hosts the best pillar design, RIB, to bear the column and reduce deformation caused by the casting stress, so as to reach high-precision machining. The enlarged machine base improves the mechanical stability. The sturdy UV axis casting provides a stable cutting precision. The stainless steel workbench has a hardness of HRC 50 degree. The C1 class ball screws and super precision linear gliding rails, along with a high AC servo motor drive system and the optional scale mounted in a closed loop control adjacent to the ball screw position, enable a 0.1 U millimeter movement accuracy. The whole series of machines go through mechanical movement precision calibration with the laser measurement system instrument and ball bar circular measurement instrument. The power system for processing. The electroless fine finish power produced by the EF electrolysis-free generator allows full-time using AC electroless discharge processing on titanium alloys or super hard tungsten steel without electrolysis on the material surface, and can reach a standard power finish less than radius 0.35. And the workpiece becomes smaller of softened layer after being processed. The mold can have an excellent service life. The SFC Super Finish Circuit can use the optional Super Mirror power for very high frequency machining current, so that when it comes to the processing of 5 knife fittings, the surface finish can be less than radius 0.14 and with very good forming precision. Intelligent Discharge Module, DPM, Digital Power Manager. It uses high-speed chip to detect and feed back the digital signal of discharge density for more precise control over the discharge, wire tension, and water flow, so that the speed and accuracy of processing workpiece with segment deviation or blind holes can be greatly enhanced. Automatic Wire Threading System, AWT, Reliable Auto Wire Threading System. It provides 24-hour, non-stop, unmanned operations. The reliable automatic wire threading system can do the threading straightly from the breaking point, making a very low error rate, thus enhancing the processing efficiency. The water jet spray threading enables the mechanical threading on a workpiece as thick as 500 millimeters for cutting on high workpiece. Fine processed finished products. The silicon steel mold for electric car motor. The compound part workpiece A, B, C. workpiece with taper and hetero-shaped ends, helical gear, SFC super finish processing parts, large height cutting parts, parts processed with W-axis. Optional: large wire provisioning wheel, jumbo feeder device. Remote monitor system. W-axis machining mechanism. Automatic up and down of the water power slider door for cooperating with the automatic workpiece exchange system. Automatic up and down of the water groove door of the V1280 large model.